welcome to an unexpected vlog today because I'm going to the CBD again for the third time. Well, technically second time this year. Reason why I'm going to the CBD today is the launch day of the physical stores of the new Labubu set. So I thought I'd give it a try and see if I could get one. Best case scenario is I get the whole box set, but the worst case I get one. Yeah, it is currently like 4 a.m. It's early and I don't know how dedicated people are in terms of like Labubu. I know it's always sold out, so I'm trying to aim to get there before 7. That is the goal today, and it's probably gonna be a short vlog. Maybe I explore the CBD, maybe not, depends. But yeah, I thought I'd document it because it's a new experience for me. Gotta get ready, so let's go!
But I'm at the line. It is very long. I didn't realize people would be here like before 6:30. Maybe they're here since like 5 or something. Yes, I know how much dedicated they are. This is like more than Pokemon cards, to be honest. Yeah, just gotta wait. Hello. We're in Pop Mart, lining up again. We're here until like 10. It's probably like nearly 7 by now. Gonna wait a while. So, yeah, bye. Apparently someone threw eggs. Don't know why. It was up in the sky somewhere. It was just suddenly appeared and I'm like, what? And it strikes again with people getting wet with McDonald's. Someone's up there. Hello. Doors are nearly opening soon. And we're gonna get a number. I don't know what number it'll be. I'm gonna guess somewhere in the hundreds, to be honest. There's a lot of people. Hopefully I get one, at least. A whole set if I can, but I'm hoping for one, pretty please. You know, I was wrong. I'm 68, so better than I thought, but it's okay. Just finished and I surprisingly got the whole set. I thought there'd be like maybe 20 of these, but there's still got a bunch more. That was number 68, so the line is still pretty long, as you can probably tell. So right now I'm on a quest to get food because Xander wants bread talk. So yeah, gonna do that and go home and open these. After a nap in the train and waiting for a ride, we are back in my little home abode. And welcome to the opening of the thing that I bought today, aka the Labubu Big Energy box, which I have over here. So there are 6 Labubus in here, and you can get all of this or one of this is gone and you get the secret one. But yeah, this costed me like $192, but online it's like $400 to $380 online, like people reselling. So I'm like, even if I open this, it's still gonna be a lot because people resell it for like 40 bucks or something. Other than my time in Japan, I never owned a Labubu before, and this is my very first one. I got this in Japan, so I'm glad I got this color because I like this color. I wanted to get the full set of this because I love the colors in the set. I'm a big sucker when it comes to like gradient-y colors, so I hope I get this one. This one's like my favorite, but other than that, I'm hoping for like red as well. So yeah, we're gonna open with a scissors. I guess I can tell you like my journey, although you've probably already seen in the vlog, but my journey to getting these is an eventful one. As you can tell, if people are reselling, bad on you. Okay, I opened up the box. White box inside. I don't know which one I want to do first. Now people open these like at the bottom so that they resell at the top, but I can't be bothered. Do I want to look at the card? Nah, let's not look at the cards. Let's just do YOLO, although I feel like I already know who this is because the color's really popping. But let's see who it is. It is love. See, I like this kind of red because when I wear clothes, it's usually like in the red and black area. Sometimes like pink, like I am now, and white. So yeah, it could go well with like my red outfits. But I feel I'm so scared to bring this out in public because I've heard stories that people steal these off of people's bags. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. But yeah, this is the first one, aka Love. I highly doubt I'm getting the secret because there's this girl who only bought one blind box and she actually got the secret. We saw it in the line. She opened it straight up, so I'm like, oh, that's lucky. Yeah, welcome to another box. I went to Bread Top. Bread Top is so good. Like, it is one of my favorite, probably my top #1 favorite bread place. If I get like a green one of this, because there is a green one, Serenity, I will bring it to the Harry Potter exhibition that I will be going to as like a little content for you guys. And kind of curious because we don't get many like things in Australia. So right now in Sydney there is a Animal Crossing event which I will be going to when it comes to Melbourne. Right now there is the Harry Potter exhibition. Don't know if it'll come to any other state. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the bag. So the bag is like this, and this is the secret right here with the rainbow eyes. Same at the back and whatnot. It's pretty cute. Next one is oh, I got the one I wanted! Because for those who are new to my channel, I like the color purple as well as like midnight blue, and my channel has been like unintentionally a purple theme, so this goes well with the channel. So yeah, so cute. But let's go with box number 3. Box number 3. When the set comes out, I want to get like the Demo Disney keychains because I feel like that'll be so cute for bringing to the Disney parks and stuff. So I hope I get like a set, or I get like Mickey maybe. That's like in the future. But yeah, welcome to box number 3. I don't know what will be, so let's see. I think this is the front. Yeah, this is the front. And oh, it's the blue one. The previous one, the purple one, is luck. This is hope. So I'm assuming these are like the wishing, hoping. It's like when you buy these like charms for like luck and hope and love and stuff. I feel like these are it. So hopefully I manifest like everything and anything, to be honest. My luck has been like a little bit like up and down in my entire life, so I feel like I need to manifest some like good energy and whatnot. But throughout that entire like buying these, I had like 3 eventful things. One, there was like these group of like, I think teenager girls, at least that's what the rumor is, who like egged us, like throw eggs at us and Macca's or McDonald's at us, and I'm just like, why? Just why why do you spend so much to like put someone at harm? Because it was like people who doing uni work throughout the line and it got splashed, and I feel so bad for them. So I hope they're okay. And then as I waited at the station, somebody like literally like walked towards me and be like, I hate this chick, and I'm like, what did I do to you? Like, it is so weird. Okay, box number 4. It is this orange one. See, again, I don't know how I feel about this orange one because this is like too light for me. I know it's like all in a light color, but this is like, I don't know, something feels off about this. But it's good to have. I think they're happiness. Yeah, I'm literally putting all these Labubus in a line. I will be keeping the cards that come with it because they come with like cards like these ones. So I will be keeping them. 2 more to go. Still no secret, but even if I don't get a secret, it's okay. I think I'm manifesting Serenity, which is the green one. So, yoink. To be honest with you, maybe it's just me being old and stuff, but this is the last time I'll be doing this. First and last, I just wanted to do this one for the experience, but throughout the entire line, I'm just like, I missed the bed. Although I did get like good sleep though. So welcome to my next one, which is I got Serenity. Let's go. I'm bringing you to the Harry Potter exhibition because I'm a Slytherin. I've been a Slytherin since high school. I did the Harry Potter test and I'm a Slytherin, so I've been Slytherin ever since. So I'll bring you to the exhibition. I don't have any like outfits for you because I know a lot of people put like outfits on these guys, but I don't have any. So yeah, I wish you could see my like beautiful mess. It's somewhere there. Welcome to my last books of the day. The only one I'm missing is I think Loyalty, which is like down below here. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got, to be honest with you. Welcome to the final bag of today, and we're gonna open it. Yay! So the front is, hey, got the last one, Loyalty. So I did not get the secret today, but I don't know how I feel about you. Like, on camera it looks so neon. In person, it's not as neon. I don't know how I feel about you, but welcome to the family. So overall, my favorites are these two. Well, these two are my favorite ones. So yeah, that is it for the Labubu unboxing. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys all in my next one, whenever that will be. Because I'm still going through all of my vlogs, to be honest with you. And I'll catch you all soon. This is Rin signing out. And thank you so much for joining me on this Labubu journey. Bye everyone. Words. Bye everyone.